Hi everyone, I'm Kent Johnson.
My name is Jared Halley.
My name is David Fowler.
And I joined the Hollens Creator Academy a few months ago. I completed the course, How to Make a Living Online, and absolutely loved it.
I first loved that it was an amazing price. It was very affordable.
There are things in here that I really wish I would have known from the very beginning.
Peter is very knowledgeable and he delivers the information in a warm, compassionate way.
You can really feel how much he wants you to succeed.
You know, hearing somebody like him say like, hey, you can do this, I believe in you, like, I think I just really needed that.
He's one of my idols because he's able to do what he loves to do and make a living doing it. And I think there's not a lot of people that can do that.
I literally got up and went upstairs to my music room and got creating right as I finished the course.
When it comes to why we specifically chose Hollens Creator Academy over all the other available courses out there, it's actually quite simple. We trust Peter. His passion and his honesty just floods out the screen every single time without fail.
He knows a lot. He's been through a lot. He's learned a lot throughout his long career.
And so I have a lot of respect for Peter Hollens, and I really just wanted to learn as much as I could from him.
Just hearing him go through and debunk some myths, break down some of the common roadblocks, and basically just remove any excuse you might have for yourself.
His knowledge about how the idea of the artist fits into the modern day, both economically and culturally, as well as his own experience becoming a creator, means that he has created and crafted a course that is so complete and useful if you're trying to learn how to be a creator.
Peter brought in a lot of experts, and just the discussions they had about the technical things, you know, what type of settings for your camera, for audio, what type of gear you might need.
Things that I couldn't even find online if I Googled it.
And how to upload videos properly, how to distribute your music, or how to monetize your content, engage with your supporters and your patrons. A lot of amazing stuff, and in so much detail and so clear that I knew exactly what I needed to do and be better at when I was done with the course.
And you know that uneasy feeling that you can occasionally get in your tummy or your chest when you're about to buy something or invest into something and you're not 100% sure? Well, this time we had none of that.
Hollens Creator Academy is a great program for those interested in making a living online, especially those of us who are creators.
It's super inspiring for me going in there and seeing people introducing themselves, their content, and what they're striving to do. And then also seeing all the positive feedback and people building each other up. It's amazing.
I am comfortable saying that if you're trying to become a creator, this course is one of the, if not the most smart investments you could possibly make for your future career.
So please, if you are even thinking about a career as a creator or as a musician online, just sign up for the course.
It is an amazing course, and it's very inspiring, and it makes you feel like anybody can do this.
We wasted no time in purchasing what he has created, and we're so glad that we went with our gut feeling.
I just definitely recommend this for anybody who wants a chance to just basically sit on the couch with Peter Hollens and just ask him how he does what he does. And so, as Peter says in the very end of his course, good luck to you, and go forth and rock.